Okay, device incoming is an iPad Mini 1, silver in color. Model designation is A1432. Serial numbers are F9GN-ISW UF196. We are taking the device to repair the digitizer on it. Looks like the digitizer has failed, so the touch sensor has failed on it, and there's a crack that's forming on the right hand region and extending all throughout. The home button and the power button is functional. The volume buttons are located on the right hand side. They do exhibit positive tactile feedback, but no other functions and features are tested right now since the touch digitizer has failed on it.